Hello everyone. Today we make, as you ask me, this little chocolate garnish, this round stripes, white chocolate or milk chocolate or dark chocolate. Look, see, it's so beautiful in plated dessert. It's so beautiful to make garnish, really nice. And I will show you how to make all this plated dessert later on. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I am here to helping you, to teaching you how to make fantastic dessert and bread, bakery, ice cream, name it, all is in my YouTube channel. Just a little plastic bag you can cut into half. Very important to make him tempering chocolate. The tempering chocolate, as I make in 5 video before, you can find in my YouTube channel. To be honest, the best way to make this garnish to be 30 degree for dark chocolate. 30 Celsius is the best tempering chocolate for this decor. You spread with a spatula on top of cutting board. Why I use cutting board? Because cutting board doesn't connect heat or cold to the chocolate, so it stay longer, takes the same shape. That's why I don't put in marble or stainless steel. Then with the comb, chocolate comb, I just make straight stripe, as you see, straight stripe. If the chocolate is hot, it will melt it back, but if really tempering it, as you see, it will make nice clean stripes. After that, I cover with the plastic, and then I can use a skewer or toothpicks with round cutter. You name the shape, any size you want, round cutter. Just do as you see to stick around all the round cutter, so to make distance and to cut round shape clear. This is very important. Normally I use the thermometer, so the thermometer is longer, so I can control much better than a skewer. So feel free to do whatever you like. You can see the tempering chocolate is so important for this garnish or any chocolate garnish. Just to make sure that's all, and with 2-3 times you will find the right consistency to cut the chocolate, because as you know, the chocolate is practice. I will leave the link below. So better I leave it at room temperature to crystallize, then I keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes maximum. After 10 minutes, it's all set. I can show you. Some of them, because it's very thin, is broken, and that will show you how to do it and which consistency. So as you see, this consistency is little higher, which is make a nice chocolate garnish. I will leave in description box 7 video how to tempering chocolate, how to make many type of chocolate garnish and ornament, all in my YouTube channel, or feel free to surf in my YouTube. As you see, really easy and tasty, and it make difference when you use it in the plated dessert. Now I use white chocolate. The same, I must make tempering chocolate, but for white chocolate I prefer 29 centigrade. 29 centigrade is the best to use white chocolate. You can see it's the same way. I use a spatula on the plastic. In cutting board, I prefer cutting board, is flat and nice. Then I use the comb straight cut. And 29.5 is the best temperature to use white chocolate. Then I cover again with the plastic bag. For white chocolate, sometimes I leave it 1 minute extra just to cool down before I cut, because if not really between 50% crystallize, it will break a lot. So I keep it, as you see, 1 minute for white chocolate, then I cover with the plastic. It's really tricky. When you use with the chocolate, it will help you. When you practice with the chocolate tempering and chocolate ornament, you will find your own right temperature. In this time, I use only round cutter. You can see, I put plastic and I use round cutter without skewers. But to be honest, to use skewers or thermometer and to make round inside the mold is much better and give the best consistency. As you see, I can use it for plated dessert. It really make so simple, so tasty and elegant view. All this plated dessert, I will keep it in my YouTube channel. Please write, comment, let us know your opinion. Ahmad Yunus, thank you.